Wagwan people, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another freaking video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you my go-to makeup look and with the products. If you want to see how I did this, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.
Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care.
So step one, we're gonna start off with the eyebrows. So now we're gonna go ahead and outline the eyebrows. Now we'll be grabbing our spoolie brush that we'll be using to blend and shape our eyebrows. So now we're gonna grab our concealer brush, which should have a flat top, along with our concealer, and we're using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. Also, do remember that you want to go ahead and use a concealer that is 3 shades lighter than your complexion, which will be used for the brow bone area. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and use our foundation brush to blend out the concealer. Using my LA Girl Pro foundation, I'm gonna use this to clean up the top of the eyebrows. And this is in the shade Cappuccino. Also remember that whenever you're doing the top of your eyebrows, you should use a shade that is closest to your complexion. Okay, so now we're going to use the same concealer brush that we were using before, and we're just going to use it to blend out the eyebrows. You can also use your finger or another brush to do so. Using my It's Face contour palette, I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Warm Honey to set the top of my eyes. So this is done to hold the concealer or foundation in place. It also helps to reduce any shininess that comes along with the foundation. Using the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight under my eyes, and I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender to blend this out. On to contouring, so I just set my highlighted areas and I'm gonna go in with my contouring palette, and I'm using the shade Mocha. Now I know you guys are wondering what happened to your foundation. No guys, I am not really a fan of foundation. I have them just in case I need to go and do a face, or I get a call to do, you know, some big gigs or something. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and brush away the setting powder, and I'm gonna go in with my contour palette using the shade Warm Honey once more to just balance out the face and balance out the highlighted area. Using my Yuja Mix setting spray, I'm gonna go ahead and set the entire face. Going in with this lip gloss from LA Colors.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes.
So I'm gonna go in with this black eyeliner pencil, which I'll be using to line my waterline.
Never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief.